Hello everyone. In this video we are going to solve multiple choice questions on trigonometric functions. These are selected questions with usual notation in triangle ABC. If angle A plus angle B is 120 degree, A is given, B is given, these are the sides opposite to angle capital A and B, and we want to find ratio of these two angles A and B. So how to get, we require what, angle A and B to get the ratio. How we can get, here addition of two angles, दो एंगल का एडिशन दिया है. So if we get subtraction of these two angles, then we can find, solving that two equation, we can get angle A and angle B. So how we can get it? See, we have angle A plus angle B is equal to 120. So remaining angle must be equal to what? 60. So angle A plus angle B, that is equal to 120. Therefore remaining angle C is must be equal to 60. Now we have Napier's analogy, that tan of A minus B upon 2 is equal to A minus B upon A plus B into cot of C by 2. As we have C is equal to 60 and A and B is given, so we can get tan of A minus B, and from that you will get A minus B. So tan of A minus B upon 2 will be equal to A minus B, that is root 3 plus 1 minus root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 plus 1 plus root 3 minus 1, and this whole term is multiplied with cot of C by 2, that is 30. Here root 3 is getting cancelled, 1 is getting cancelled, and it will be 2 upon 2 root 3. Here tan of A minus B upon 2 is equal to this 2 upon 2 root 3, that is 1 by root 3, and cot of root 3 is root 3. Therefore it is 1. Now as it is 1, so tan of A minus B will be, A minus B upon 2 will be equal to 1. Therefore that is what? Pi by 4. So it will be tan of pi by 4. So therefore A minus B upon 2, A minus B upon 2 must be equal to, so it is tan of 45 degree. So A minus B upon 2 must be 45 degree, and A minus B will be equal to 90 degree. Now we are having A plus B is 120 and A minus B is 90. Adding these two, we will get 2A is equal to 210 degree, and therefore A must be equal to 105 degree. So B will be equal to, see, as A plus B is 120, so B must be equal to 15 degree, and as we require the ratio A is to B, so therefore ratio A is to B is equal to 105 is to 15. Okay, and clearly you will be getting 7 is to 1. So that will be 7 is to 1. Here is a question: if the area of an equilateral triangle inscribed in circle is the equation of circle x square plus y square tan x 12y plus c is equal to 0, this area of equilateral triangle is 27 root 3 square units, and we require to find this unknown c, that is constant here. C we find. So first of all, we know area of the equilateral triangle. A is the side of square triangle, then area of equilateral triangle is given by area of equilateral triangle is given by this triangle or equilateral triangle, suppose side will take A and its area will be root 3 by 4 into side square, that is A square, and this area is given 27 root 3, so it is 27 root 3, so that this root 3 is getting cancelled and we are getting side of the triangle A square will be equal to 27 into 4, so that side A is equal to square root of this, that is 6 root 3. 6 root 3. That is the side of triangle, and we have by sine rule that A is equal to 2r, where r is the circumradius of this. So 2r sine A, that is the angle A. Here A is known to us, therefore we substitute here A, or A is 6 root 3, 6 root 3, and that is equal to 2r sine A, as this angle is what, 60 degree, because equilateral triangle, so it is 60 degree, so it is sine of 60 degree, and therefore it is 2r into sine of 60 degree, which is root 3 by 2. Now this 2 is getting cancelled and this root 3 is again getting cancelled, so that radius of circle R will be equal to, radius of this circle R is equal to 6. 6 is the radius of circle. Now we have given equation of circle. From equation of circle we find center and radius. So center of the circle is given by minus g and minus f is the center of circle. See, the equation of circle is x square y square 2gx, it is 2gx plus 2fy and plus c. So center of the circle is minus g minus f, that is negative and half of this, so which is minus g minus f, which will be equal to, or we require g and f, so g is equal to 5 here and f is equal to 6 here, so this is what g and f, and radius is given by capital R, radius is given by root of g square plus f square minus c. G is 5, f is 6, so 25 plus g is 5 and f is what, 6, 36 minus c, that is equal to what, radius. But radius is known to us, that is equal to 6, so therefore here we substitute radius and we can get what, c. So radius is equal to 6 and that is equal to root of 25 plus 36 minus c. We'll square both sides, so this gives us 36, 25 plus 36 minus c. So clearly this 36 is getting cancelled and c will be equal to 25, which is the required option. So c is the 25, value of c is 25. So second option is correct option. Question is this: in triangle sum of two sides, that is what, x, product of same two sides is y, and this relation is given. The relation is x square minus c square, that is equal to y, where c is the third side of a triangle, and we find what, the circumradius of triangle. Circumradius of triangle is given by any of this. So circumradius of triangle, we take what, capital R, and we use sine rule, cosine rule over here. So given that sum of two sides, so we'll take that sides as AB and AB, and third side is already given C. So sum of two sides is x, given that a plus b is equal to x, a plus b is equal to x, and sum of two sides AB is given, a plus b is given, and product of same two sides is y, so that is equal to y, and this relation is given. So relation is what? X square minus c square, that is equal to y. So we substitute here x and y. So x is a plus b whole square minus c square, and that is equal to y. Y is ab. We expand this, a square plus 2ab plus b square minus c square is equal to ab. Now here a square plus b square minus c square, and this we take in the right hand side, so minus 2ab plus ab. So a square plus b square minus c square is equal to minus ab. This is what? Minus ab, and we divide by ab. So here we required cosine rule. Cosine rule is what? A square plus b square minus c square upon 2ab. So if we divide by 2ab, both sides 2ab. So this is nothing but cosine rule. It is cos of c by cosine rule. And this 2ab, so here ab will get cancelled and it will be equal to minus 1 upon 2. Minus 1 upon 2. So thus we have here cos of c by cosine rule is cos of c. A square plus b square minus c square upon 2ab is cos c, and that is equal to minus 1 upon 2. So this is nothing but cos of 120 degree. So therefore c angle must be equal to 120 degree. So sine of c will be equal to sine of 120 degree, and which is root 3 by 2 sine of 120 degree. And here we required to find what? The circumradius of triangle, that is capital R we find. So capital R we find by using sine rule. So we have by sine rule A is equal to 2R sine A. 2R, sorry, here C is there. So angle C. So therefore C is equal to 2R sine C. 2R sine C. And therefore, see, in terms of C we required. So C we don't know, but R we know. See here sine C we know. So therefore it is C is equal to 2R. Sine C we know, that is sine C is equal to root 3 by 2 is known to us. So substitute sine C here, which is root 3 by 2, and that is getting cancelled 2. So we required circumradius, and circumradius capital R is equal to, therefore capital R is equal to C upon root 3. C upon root 3. So C upon root 3 is this second option. Question is, in triangle, see the angle ABC of triangle ABC, they are in what? AP, arithmetic progression. Ratio of two sides A and B are given 1 is to root 3, and one side is given, that is 4. So area of triangle must be what? Here as ABC, these angles of triangle, they are in AP. So we can write the relation that ABC are in AP. ABC are in AP. Therefore 2B must be equal to A plus C. 2B must be equal to A plus C. This is the relation. Then we have given a is to b, that is equal to 1 is to root 3, means we'll write a upon b, that is equal to, by sine rule it is k sine a and b is k sine b. This is by sine rule, and this is given by 1 upon root 3. This k is getting cancelled and we are getting here sine a upon sine b is equal to, dividing by 2, so it is 1 by 2 root 3 by 2. So clearly a must be equal to 30 degree, sine of 30 degree. A is 30 degree and sine of b is root 3 by 2. That means what, b must be equal to 60 degree. 60 degree. So clearly remaining angle must be equal to what? 90 degree. So therefore remaining angle will be 90 degree. So that means this angle is, this triangle is 30, 60, 90. So here is C. C is, it is right angled at C. So C, A is 30 degree. So A is 30 degree. This is 30 degree and this is what? B, 60 degree. And what is given? Side opposite to angle C, we by our usual notation, side opposite to angle C will write small c, and it is given 4. So 4 it is. So 30 degree opposite angle will be, opposite side will be 2 and half of this, and this will be root 3 by 2 times, it will be root 3 by 2 times hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is this, root 3 by 2 times. So therefore this side is what? This side is 2 root 3. So side B is 2 root 3 and side A is what? This is 2. So area of this triangle is given by 1 by 2 product of the perpendicular sides. So product of perpendicular sides will be 2 root 3 into 2. Product of perpendicular side, one side is 2 and this another side is 2 root 3. So product of this perpendicular side and divided by 2 is the area of triangle. So that this 2 is getting cancelled and the area of triangle we are getting 2 root 3. So area of the triangle is 2 root 3. Question is this: in triangle ABC, a into cos square c by 2 plus c into cos square a by 2, that is equal to 3b upon 2. Then the sides of triangle, that are ABC, they are in what? HP, AP or geometric progression, or they are satisfying this relation a plus b is equal to c. So we are having this equation that a into cos square c by 2, a into cos square c by 2 plus c into cos square a by 2 is equal to 3b upon 2. This relation is given. So cos square will write 1 plus cos c, 1 plus cos theta upon 2. That is a into 1 plus cos theta, that is cos c upon 2, plus c into 1 plus cos a upon 2, that will be cos square a by 2, and this is equal to 3b upon 2 relation is given. Now this 2 is getting cancelled, so that a plus a into cos c, again multiply this c plus c into cos a is equal to 3b. Now a cos c plus c cos a by projection rule, here we will write it together, a plus c will write together, plus this a cos c plus c cos a is equal to 3b. By projection rule it is a plus c. By projection rule it is b, and which is 3b. Now this 1b will take in the right hand side, so that we will get a plus c. A plus c is equal to 3b minus b, which is 2b. So we will infer that a, b, c are in AP. 2b is equal to a plus c, that means a, b, c are in AP. So this relation we are having, that means a, b, c are in AP. So our second option is correct option. Our question is b minus c upon b plus c into cot of a by 2, b plus c upon b minus c into tan of a by 2 is what among of these options? Here we are having Napier's analogy, b minus c upon b plus c cot of a by 2, that is nothing but tan of, so it is tan of b minus c upon 2 is equal to b minus c upon b plus c into cot of a by 2, cot of a by 2. This is our Napier's analogy. You will observe that b plus c upon b minus c and tan of a by 2 is nothing but it is a reciprocal of this. So reciprocal of this means reciprocal of this. It will be tan reciprocal is cot. So this second expression is nothing but cot of b minus c upon 2, and the first expression is nothing but tan of b minus c upon 2. So this is nothing but tan of b minus c upon 2, and this is reciprocal of this, exactly reciprocal of this, and plus 1 upon tan of b minus c upon 2. So we can write it as sine of b minus c upon 2 upon cos of b minus c upon 2. Reciprocal cos of b minus c upon 2, sine of b minus c upon 2. LCM is sine into cos, sine square, this is cos square. So this will be equal to sine square of b minus c upon 2 and cos square of b minus c upon 2, which is 1, and the denominator is sine into cos, sine of b minus c upon 2 into cos of b minus c upon 2, multiplying by 2 numerator and denominator. So that gives us 2 upon 2 sin theta cos theta, that is sin 2 theta, which is sine of 2 times of this, 2 times of b minus c upon 2, sine of 2 theta, 2 sin theta cos theta sin 2 theta. So that this 2 is getting cancelled, and it is 2 upon sine of b minus c, which is 1 upon sine is cosec, so which will be 2 times of cosec of b minus c. So 2 times of cosec of b minus c, that is B option, or second option is correct option. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you.